we divide 992 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. 2 times 9 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 2 and it is 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 0. So 992 divided by 2 is 496. So this much for today and thanks for watching.